If you want a luxury SUV that will not break down after few years. If you want comfort, power, safety and peace of mind. If you want a vehicle that mechanics trust and owners keep for 10 years. Then this video is for you. Because today we reveal the most reliable midsize luxury SUV in America. This is not about hype or badge. This is about long-term reliability, real ownership data and smart buying. Watch till the end because one SUV clearly beats the rest. When people shop for a midsize luxury SUV, they usually focus on looks, screens, horsepower and brand image. But the smartest buyers focus on reliability. Because luxury repairs are expensive and breakdowns destroy ownership experience. True luxury means confidence every time you start the engine. In the midsize luxury SUV segment, many brands promise perfection. But only few actually deliver long-term durability. Based on years of owner reports, reliability rankings and real-world performance. One name consistently stands above others. That SUV is the Lexus RX. The Lexus RX has built a reputation as the most reliable midsize luxury SUV in the world. It is not just popular, it is trusted. Year after year it ranks at the top of reliability studies in the United States. One reason behind this success is Lexus' engineering philosophy. Lexus focuses on proven technology instead of risky experiments. Engines, transmissions and electronics are tested for years before release. This results in fewer failures and longer vehicle life. The Lexus RX offers multiple powertrain options, including naturally aspirated engines, turbocharged engines and hybrid systems. Especially the hybrid version is famous for extreme durability. Many owners report driving over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. The hybrid system used in the RX is one of the most reliable in the industry. It has been refined over decades. Battery failures are rare. Maintenance costs are low compared to European rivals. Ride quality in the Lexus RX is smooth and comfortable. It is designed for daily driving, long trips and family use. Suspension components last longer because tuning focuses on comfort, not aggressive performance. Interior quality also plays a major role in reliability. Buttons, switches, screens and controls in the RX are built to last. Unlike some competitors that rely heavily on touch controls, Lexus still uses physical buttons that remain functional for years. Safety systems in the RX are advanced yet dependable. Adaptive cruise lane assist, collision warning and blind spot monitoring work consistently. These systems are designed to assist, not overwhelm the driver. Another major advantage of the Lexus RX is resale value. Because of its reliability, the RX holds value extremely well. Even older models with high mileage sell for strong prices. This proves buyer confidence in long-term ownership. Maintenance is another area where the RX shines. Service intervals are reasonable. Parts availability is excellent across the United States. Any Lexus dealer can handle repairs quickly and professionally. Insurance costs are also lower compared to many German luxury SUVs. Because the RX has fewer claims and strong safety ratings. Now let's briefly compare it to rivals. BMW X5 offers great performance and driving dynamics. But long-term reliability is inconsistent. Electronic issues and repair costs are higher. Mercedes-Benz GLE delivers luxury and comfort. But ownership beyond warranty can become expensive. Air suspension and advanced electronics require frequent attention. Audi Q7 looks modern and tech-focused. But reliability ratings remain average. Electrical issues are common in older models. Acura MDX is another strong competitor. It offers excellent reliability and sporty handling. But the Lexus RX still wins in overall long-term dependability and comfort. Genesis GV80 is stylish and luxurious. But long-term reliability data is still limited. It has not yet proven itself over decades. What makes the Lexus RX truly special is stress-free ownership. Owners describe it as boring in the best way possible. It simply works every day without surprises. Fuel efficiency, especially in the hybrid version, is excellent. This reduces running costs over time. Less visits to fuel stations means more savings. The RX is also ideal for families. Spacious cabin, comfortable seats and smooth ride make it perfect for long journeys. Child safety features and strong crash ratings add peace of mind. Technology in the RX is user-friendly. Infotainment systems are stable and rarely crash. Updates do not introduce new problems. Lexus also has one of the best customer service reputations. Dealership experience is smooth, transparent and respectful. This matters when you own a vehicle for many years. In snow, rain, heat or cold, the RX performs consistently. All-wheel drive versions provide extra confidence in bad weather. Mechanical components are designed for durability, not just performance. If your goal is owning a midsize luxury SUV for 10 years or more. If you want low stress, low repair costs and high comfort, then the Lexus RX is the smartest choice. It may not be the flashiest. It may not have the most aggressive engine, but it delivers something more valuable: trust. That is why mechanics recommend it, families love it, and long-term owners buy it again. In conclusion, the most reliable midsize luxury SUV is not about trends. It is about engineering philosophy, proven components and real-world data, and the Lexus RX continues to lead this segment year after year. If reliability is your priority, if you want luxury without headaches, then the answer is clear. The Lexus RX is the king of reliable midsize luxury SUVs.